Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. In this tutorial, we will guide you step by step on how to check the battery code for your Lenovo IdeaPad Flex Pro-13IKB. Before we start, ensure you have the following tools ready: a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and a microfiber cloth for cleaning. First, start by powering off your laptop completely and unplugging it from any power source. This step is crucial to ensure your safety while working on the device. Next, locate the screws on the bottom panel of your laptop. Using the Phillips screwdriver, remove the screws carefully. Make sure to keep them in a safe place, as you will need them later to reassemble your laptop. If you're unsure about where each screw goes, consider taking a picture to reference later. Once the screws are removed, use the plastic spudger to gently pry open the bottom panel. Be cautious during this process to avoid damaging any clips or the casing. With the bottom panel removed, take a moment to clean any dust or debris inside the laptop. Use the microfiber cloth to gently wipe the internal components, ensuring they are free from dust buildup. This maintenance step can significantly improve the performance and longevity of your device. Now, locate the battery. The battery is typically situated near the center of the laptop. Look for a label on the battery itself that displays the battery code. This code is essential for identifying the specific battery model you need if a replacement is required. If you find yourself needing to replace the battery, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. This means you can get expert advice on your battery needs without any commitment. Once you have noted the battery code, you can proceed to disconnect the battery from the motherboard. Make sure to gently lift the connector to avoid any damage. If you're not comfortable performing this step yourself, our service includes pickup and delivery at your home, making it easy for you to get your device serviced without any hassle. After disconnecting the battery, you can proceed to reinstall the bottom panel. Align it properly and press down gently to ensure it snaps back into place. Finally, replace the screws using the Phillips screwdriver, securing the panel tightly. If you ever find yourself in need of a repair, remember, we provide a quote before repair, so you'll know the costs up front without any surprises. This is part of our commitment to customer service, ensuring that you have a seamless experience. Now that you've successfully checked the battery code, power on your laptop to ensure everything is functioning correctly. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to reach out for assistance. And remember, no calls, no travel, we're just a few clicks away to help you with your needs. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.